Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to take a look at the Verasity charts and we're going to see where it might be headed in the longer term, and we're also going to see what it would take for, or what the price would be if this project were to reach a certain market cap level. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC exchange with the link in the video description down below. I personally love this exchange for two big reasons. The first reason why I absolutely love it is, as many of you guys know, I am a huge altcoin nerd, and they have over 1,500 different altcoins for me to trade at any given time. In addition to that, as you guys can clearly see, they've got some of the cheapest trading fees in the entire industry right now. Most exchanges are charging roughly around 0.06% taker fees, but here it's 0.01%. So you get to keep more of your profits, which is very, very nice. All right. So as far as Verasity is concerned, for those of you who literally aren't familiar with Verasity at all and have no idea what it is at all, it's basically a project that aims to change the way that creators and viewers interact with online video content by introducing blockchain technology and token rewards. Basically, the platform allows content creators to monetize their videos through viewer engagement, overall fostering a more direct and transparent relationship between content creators and their audience. And viewers can earn VRA tokens by, simply just watching, sharing, and engaging with videos as well, creating an overall unique ecosystem where all participants are literally incentivized, which is very, very nice to see. So realistically, I am extremely bullish on this project because I love projects like this. I absolutely love projects that have that make society better. I mean, realistically, this is a project that will literally make video content much, much better for literally everybody, because everybody can earn something. So realistically, it's an awesome project, and that's why I personally love it, all right? But I'm not here to shill anything. I'm not here to say that this is the best project in the world or anything, all right? But it is one of my favorite projects personally. So let's go ahead and take a look at some price action. All right, now for those of you who do not know me, I am a long-term investor. I am not a trader like a regular day trader. I don't enter trades and exit trades within a matter of 3 to 5 days or anything like that. I'm a long-term investor, meaning I buy and then I continue to accumulate all the way up into the next bull market, and that's how I trade. Okay, so as far as price is concerned, we can clearly see just by looking at the charts, we can clearly see on the long-term analysis here in the macro view that Verasity has recently taken off like freaking crazy lately, which is awesome to see. Very, very nice to see. Clearly we broke down. We had this giant upswing back here in, let's see here, this started in January of this year of 2023, and it lasted all the way through February of 2023, and then we started down, dropping, because obviously every peak has a valley, and we can clearly see here that basically we had a little head and shoulders pattern going on right here. You can see right here we've got the shoulder, we've got the head, we've got another shoulder right here, and we continued to go down even further. All right, so there we've got that, and we ended up dropping all the way down to, let's see here, we ended up dropping down to 0.003 cents, all right? And now we are slowly starting to rise back up and slowly starting to appreciate in price again, which is very, very nice to see. And as we can see on the moving averages here, we can see that the 50-day is hopefully going to end up crossing the 200-day relatively soon, hopefully, because when that happens, that's going to be a good thing, because we can automatically assume that when that happens, price could potentially start to start rising again, like it usually does when that happens. So let's go ahead and take a look and see where the price could be if this project were to reach a $1 billion market cap. Now, the reason why I say a $1 billion market cap is because we can clearly see this thing in the last bull market clearly went all the way up to a $388 million market cap. But the project wasn't as popular as it is nowadays, okay? It's got a lot more users, or it's got a lot more people that are interested in it. It's got a lot more investors that are interested in it, and a lot more people that are putting their money into this project on a regular basis. So that's very nice to see. Now, in the height of a bull market, I see no reason why this project couldn't reach potentially a $1 billion market cap at some point in time, especially considering this project has an actual use case and can actually be used by real people in in the real world. So realistically, if this thing were to reach a $1 billion market cap at some point in the future, let's see what that price would be, just for shits and giggles here. All right, so we're sitting at a market cap of $67.5 billion or $67.5 million right now. So if we go ahead and take its current price, we're going to go with 0.006, and if we were to multiply it by, let's say, 100x, we get a 60-cent coin. All right, and now we go ahead and multiply that by 1,000 million billion, 10.25 billion tokens, 10.25 billion tokens. I'm bad at math here. 1,000 million billion. There we go. That's billion. And we come out with a market cap of roughly $6.15 billion. Okay, that's way insanely hot, much higher than I was thinking. So realistically, in the long-term grand scheme of things, this possibly could happen. All right, but I'm a realistic type of person, so we're gonna go ahead and not go with 100x. We'll go with like let's see here, 0.006, and we'll go ahead and multiply that by 10. Or no, sorry, we'll do 25x. We'll come out with a 15-cent Verasity coin. Now we'll go ahead and multiply that by 10.25 billion. And what do we come out here with? We come out with a $1.5 billion market cap. Now this is something that I could easily see happening. So realistically, right around roughly 15 cents, or roughly around like, probably 12 to 15 cents, somewhere in that range, okay? Now let's go ahead and check this out. Now as far as price goes, it went all the way up to, let's see here, what does CoinMarketCap have here? It has an all-time high right now of 8 cents, okay? So if it went to, roughly 15 cents or so, that'd be almost double what it went last time, which would be very, very nice to see, all right? So let's go ahead and check this out. If you had, like, let's say you had $1,000 put into this coin, we go ahead and divide that by 0.0065. You're going to come out with 153,846 tokens. So 153,846 tokens, and we go ahead and multiply that by 15 cents. If your $1,000 investment could turn into a $23,000 investment. All right. So realistically, obviously, the more money you put in, the more potential it's got. But with a small $1,000 investment, you could easily 23x this thing, no problem. Especially if it ends up going up to a market cap of roughly $1 to $1.5 billion at some point in time in the long term. Which, again, like I was explaining earlier, definitely has the potential simply because of its use case and because it's a platform that people can actually use. And that is a big key thing here, guys. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video or anything that's related to altcoins or trading or anything like that in general, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. But overall here, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.